Hey everyone! Today I've got a super simple recipe that'll prove why Perilla oil and Perilla powder are pantry must-haves. This soy sauce noodle bowl is seriously addictive. You've been warned. Let's dive in. Start by cooking thin noodles, then rinse them in cold water to remove any starch. Mix 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Perilla oil, and 1 tablespoon sugar, then pour it over the noodles. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of Perilla powder and crush up some roasted seaweed on top. Top it with an egg yolk and a pinch of sesame seeds. And that's it. It's crazy easy, but the flavor? Totally worth raving about. The combo of nutty Perilla and savory soy sauce is next level. You just have to taste it to get it. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy a simple K meal today.